So let's try to find f in this challenge question. Now we know about trying to find the common denominator, so let's try. So let's say 1 over f is equals to, and we're going to make this uv as a common denominator. So that means we're multiplying top and bottom by v. And to make this a uv, this happens to be a v, we need to multiply the top by u, because 1 over v is the same thing as u over uv. So now you can see that we have a common denominator. We should be able to combine these terms together. So we have u plus v, I'm just switching these around, all over the common denominator uv. Alright, so we can simply flip both sides of the equal sign. So we have f is equals to uv over u plus v. And just for the sake of practice for algebra, let's try cross multiplying just to try it a different way. So f times the diagonal, f times u plus v, is equals to 1 times uv. And then we divide both sides by whatever is beside f. So f is equals to uv divided by, that's this coefficient, which is u plus v, which is the same result over here. So when you have an equal sign, you're allowed to flip both sides. So let's try the next challenge question. This looks intimidating, but let's see how long it actually takes. We have a p over p minus x here, and there's a minus sign, and then what we have here is a p minus x. So essentially, it's going to be this take away this, and we have a common denominator, p minus x. So we're just going to perform the operations, p minus x. So the common denominator is p minus x, and the top, the numerator, becomes p take away x. Essentially, same divided by same is just 1. Let's move on to the next term. The next term is q minus x. So we have something minus something. Same denominator, q minus x, and the top happens to be q take away x, which is the second term. We're going to distribute this negative sign, don't forget. So q minus x, same divided by same is just 1. Now what about the third term? The third term here, again, same pattern. We have a plus sign and a plus sign. The common denominator is r minus x, and what we have here on the numerator is r take away x. So this is actually not that hard. Same divided by same is 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1. And the answer is simply 1. It's your turn. Have fun with these challenge questions.